Today we're looking at a maths lesson. As with any lesson, we always start with some retrieval questions. Retrieval questions help us to remember things that we've already learned. The first retrieval activity that we're going to do today is something called subitizing. We have a look at the picture and we have to say what number or amount the picture represents. This picture represents 7. I can check that by counting the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When you see the next picture, can you decide which number it represents? 3. 1, 2, 3. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2. 1, 2. 1. 1. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For the next activity, we're going to practice reading up and down this number line. Let's try that together. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see if we can count together backwards from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. For the next part of our activity, we're going to need to make our own number lines. Now, I'm going to use my maths whiteboard here, but you can use anything at home to write your number line on. All you need is a piece of paper and a pencil. Now, because I'm presenting my work properly, I'm going to put one number in each box. I'm going to start with 1. To separate the numbers, I'm going to put a little comma after each number. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And for the number 10, I must put one digit in each box to present it properly. And I'm also going to need some sort of counter. Now, I don't have any counters here, so I'm going to use some cubes instead. You can use anything at home. Maybe you've got a crayon, or maybe you have some counters, a pen lid, a glue stick, anything that you have handy that you can use to put underneath each number. And I'm going to ask Miss Sharman to help me with this activity. She's going to tell me a number, and I have got to put my counter underneath the correct number.
3.
I can check that I've got it right. 1, 2, 3. I found it. I found the number 3. On the next one, see if you can find the right number before me.
8.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There it goes. Listen carefully to the next one.
1.
There it is. Number 1. And the last one.
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There it is, number 7. For the main part of our learning today, we are going to be finding out what is one more than any given number. The first number that we've been given on the board here is the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see a counter underneath the number 5 there. Now, to find out what is more than the number 5, I need to move my counter along one space. It moves up my number line to the next number. And I can now say 1 more than 5 is 6. Let's have a look at another one. I need to find out what is 1 more than 4. 1 more than 4 is 5. Let's have a look at one together. We've got to find out what is 1 more than 7. Now, using your number line that you've created, put your counter on the number 7. Then we need to slide it together along the number line just one space. Oh, I've got it stuck to my finger. There we go. I've moved it to the number 8. I think that 1 more than 7 must be 8. Let's have a look at the board and see if we were right. There's the counter on number 7. Move it along one space, and there it is. 1 more than 7 is 8. Let's have a go at doing some of these with our own number lines. Miss Sharman is going to give us a number, and we've got to try and find out what is 1 more than that number.
1 more than 3.
I'm going to put my counter on the number 3, move it along one space. I think 1 more than 3 is 4. When we do the next one, see if you can do it before me.
1 more than 2.
1 more than 2 is 3.
1 more than 9.
1 more than 9 is 10. Let's try one more.
1 more than 8.
1 more than 8 is 9. See if you can play the game with your parents. Can they give you a number and you have to try and find out what is 1 more than that number?